I mean, I would just sort of wholeheartedly recommend VAKs, because both the sort of the excellent tutoring, and the tutors are really nice, Billy's really comfortable with them and they're really friendly, and then the support on top of that in terms of sort of Martina's always at the end of the phone. So when we heard about the scholarship day, I rang Martina and she went through what we might expect on the day, some tips for Billy, you know, sort of some prep for the exam. Actually just doing work that he wouldn't have done at school by the time the first test was November, and he wouldn't have even done some of those bits in the curriculum that were in the tests. So it sort of really advanced his learning. And another great thing is actually his confidence and his belief in himself, and also he's learning things that he wouldn't have gone through at school at the stage that he sat the exam. And he had a great quote to me the other day, and he said he learns in VAKs in the 1.5 hours what he would have learned at school over 3 weeks, which I think sort of says it all.